In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Crypt32.dll missing in Windows 11. So let's get started. So first is you have to know the system type of your Windows. So go to the Windows search bar and type system info. Click on it under the best match. You'll find the system type. Okay, so take note of that and then open a browser. Simply search for the missing DLL and put download. Hit enter and copy the first, click on the first option and then scroll down and you will find the download link depending on the architecture of your Windows. So simply click on the first version that is depending on the system type. Click download. Wait for that to be downloaded. Once downloaded, click on the folder icon. And then here, right click and then you have to select extract all. Click on extract. Copy the DLL file. Right click, select copy. Go to this PC on the left pane, double click on the Windows C drive, scroll down to the Windows folder, double click. Locate the System32 folder. So here, if you are a 64-bit Windows, go to System32. If you are a 32-bit, go to SYS WoW 64. And then right click and then select paste. Click on replace the file in the destination. After doing so, you have to restart your Windows. So right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Then open a browser again for the next method. Search for Visual C++ redistributable, hit enter. Click on the first option. Scroll down and then here you can find the link depending on the architecture of your Windows. So click the download link depending on your system type and simply install the Visual C++ on your Windows 11. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.